Welcome to the Learning English channel. Short stories. Money versus family.
John's family is very big. John is a hard worker, and he is the sole breadwinner of the family. He has 3 kids, 2 sons, and a daughter. He lives with his father and mother. John used to work too hard to feed his family. He works for more than 16 hours a day. The kids cannot see him as he will leave home early in the morning before they wake up and reach home around midnight when kids sleep every day. The entire family eagerly waits to spend quality time with him, and the kids miss him so much. The children were too curious about Sundays, as his father would spend the entire day with them. Unfortunately, to meet the increasing household expenses and educational expenses, John took a weekend job to work even on Sundays. The kids were very shattered, and even John's wife and parents were too. The typical routine continued for several weeks, and a year passed. All the hard work of John earned him a lot of benefits, and he was offered a promotion with an attractive increment. The family moved to a new house, got better clothes, and ate healthy foods. However, as usual, John continues to earn more and more money. One day his wife asked him, "Why are you running for money? We can be happy with what we have now." John replied, "I want to give the best available in the world to all of you and want you to stay happy always." 2 years passed, and John hardly spent time with his family. The children yearned to have their father at home. Meanwhile, John's sincere efforts reaped him a fortune. He was offered a partnership and a share of the profits. He continued to earn more and more wealth. Now, John's family is one of the richest families in the city. They have all the facilities and luxuries. Still, John's children strove to meet their father, as he was hardly seen at home. His children turned teens, and they are no longer kids. Now, John has earned enough wealth to provide a luxurious life for the next 5 generations. John's family went to their beach house to spend their vacation. His daughter asked, "Dad, will you please spend one day at home and stay with us here?" John replied, "Yes, darling, tomorrow for sure, I will join you for lunch and be with you all for the next few days. I'm tired of work and need refreshments." The entire family became very happy. Unfortunately, the next day, none of John's family were alive as they were washed out by the tsunami. John was too busy even to hear the news about the tsunami. When he tried to reach his beach house, he saw the sea and water everywhere and screamed for his family. He could not even find the bodies of his family. He can never have them again, he cannot even see them, and even by paying millions, he cannot get them back to life. He remembered his wife's words. "Why are you running for money? We can be happy with what we have now. Money can't buy everything." If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, give it a like, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. I would really appreciate it.